Coach, good afternoon. Congratulations
Hello.
po. Second consecutive first runner-up. What does this say po sa run ng Adamson
Ah,
sa program po dito?
ayan, so first of all, thank you so much po. Malaking karangalan to for the school. What I can really say about our win is, I think, well-deserved naman yung mga wins today sa competition. And sadyang ganun lang talaga, may mananalo, may matatalo, may kanya-kanya tayong baraha sa competition, no? May kanya-kanya tayong timeline in preparations. And I think everyone deserves their win. Thank you.
Now, as team captain, ano ba sabi mo na, once again, first runner-up kayo and nakakasabay na kayo sa rest of the year for second consecutive?
Siyempre, unang-una, very happy po na ganito na po yung naging level ng Adamson Pepsi ko. And siyempre, pinaghirapan din po ng team to para makapunta po sa ganitong level ng routine ko.
Ayun nga, 0.5 na yung naging agwat between second and third place ngayong season.
Yeah. Honestly, hindi ko pa nakikita yung score sheet, but based on their performance versus our performance, I think talagang malaking hinatak ng dance ng score nila sa dance, and that's 50% of the total score. So that's totally understandable, no? So I think talagang yung FEU, doon talaga sila malakas sa dance. Yun naman din talaga yung strength nila. And with us naman, as much as kaya naming i-balance natin, ayun po. Talagang in-instill namin sa team na mag-hit zero kung tawagin. And fortunately talaga, I think 2 points lang ata ang deduction namin. And we're really thankful for that. Yes indeed, talagang importante maglinis parati ng routine. And so ito yung result kapag parating malinis yung routine. Talagang it can save you.